Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a page on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of the sections right here. So go ahead and right here all the way down, click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically the editor for Wix website. So just wait for the page to load. And once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once here, if you go right here to the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you guys to design and customize your site. So right now, if you want to add a page, it's pretty simple. Just go here to the left. Here you're going to find add element, add section, and here under it, you're going to find pages and menu. Go ahead and click on pages and menu. And then here you're going to find the site menu, sign up and login. So go to the menu where you want to create a page. And then as you can see guys, here in the top right, you're going to find the option to add a page. Just click on add page. And then right here, you can choose which type of page you want to add. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find about, services, projects, contact, general, and so on. You can also add a blank page if you want. So just click on add page and then just wait for it to load. And as you can see guys, now it's added. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.